PowerPoint 2013 is an easy-to-use program that lets you design your own presentations. You can use it to create slideshows, presentations of all kinds, whether official, academic or personal, multimedia projects, and just about anything else you can imagine. When you open PowerPoint, you will first be taken to the Start screen. From here, you can access recently used presentations or create something new, either from scratch or from a template. Let us click Blank Presentation. You might want to take a minute to explore the interface. Let us begin with the ribbon at the top of the screen. This is a collection of tools and features designed in such a way that you can easily find what you are looking for. The ribbon is divided into tabs. Within each tab, there are groups that contain logically related commands buttons based on what you are doing extra. Based on what you are doing, extra contextual tabs appear and disappear as you work. Some groups have an arrow at the bottom right corner. Clicking this allows access to even more commands. The PowerPoint ribbon displays the following tabs. Home. The Home tab contains the most commonly needed commands. These help you do things like inserting new slides, arranging objects, and formatting text on your slides. Insert. The Insert tab has a lot of useful features that enable you to insert things like pictures, clip art images, tables, smart art graphics, charts, and many other items. Design. The Design tab lets you control the look and feel of your presentation. You can apply a global design to all slides by using one of the available themes and color schemes. Transitions. The Transitions tab helps you create transition effects in your presentation. Animation. The Animation tab enables you to apply visual and sound effects to the objects on your slides. Slideshow. The Slideshow tab contains tools that help you control the way your presentation is displayed to an audience. Review. The Review tab has commands which you can use to review and improve your presentation. View. The View tab allows you to view your presentation in different ways. If you ever feel that the ribbon is taking up too much space, you can always hide or minimize it. All you need to do is click the arrow at the upper right corner and choose the options you want. This corner is also a place from where you can access your Microsoft account. Here, you can update your photo, manage